Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont, founder of EasyGenie, and today I'm going to show you how to open up and extract the PDFs that you've purchased from our website. And if you go to easygenie.org, you'll know that we have a bunch of PDF downloads. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Regardless, once you've purchased or downloaded the free version of this, you'll need a way to open it up on your computer. And with Windows in particular, it's a tricky thing. Sometimes the PDFs, they end up in a weird place on your hard drive, and you're not even sure how to properly use it. Hopefully this video will make things a little bit easier to understand. And just so you know, when you download when you go through our website and purchase it, we recommend using a desktop PC, that is a Windows machine or a Macintosh computer, to download and work with the PDFs, because really they're not designed for small screens like a phone, or they're not even designed for an iPad, which has difficulty storing files locally. So you want to be able to store these files locally on a Windows or a Mac machine, and also you're going to be typing into them, because most of our PDFs are actually fillable, and we recommend using a program called Adobe Reader. It's free to use the PDFs. The PDFs are actually designed for Adobe products, not for other types of PDF readers. So with that in mind, let's say that you've just you've purchased one of our sets and you want to open it up and take a look at it. So try to remember where you downloaded either the PDF or the zip archive. Zip means it's a compressed file. Maybe it usually has several different PDFs in it, and basically once you have to extract the PDFs from that. It's pretty easy to do. So find out where on your hard drive you've placed this file. So I remember that I put it in this folder called test. If you're not sure where it ended up, sometimes it often ends up in the downloads folder on your computer. If you still can't find it, just press the Windows key and use the search function, and then type the name. So if you start typing EasyGenie, one word, you should see it turn up someplace. Like I see here, I see some of our files turning up. But anyways, let's say that we've done that. We know where it is. Select it, but don't double click on it. Don't open it yet. And you're looking for a button that says extract up here. You'll see a button that says extract all, or you can right click on it and then you can do extract all. Don't do open with, because it might give you some options that are not helpful, like ask you to purchase a program to do it. You don't need to do it. With a zip file, you can just extract it right in Windows for free. So just do extract all. It'll ask you, hey, where do you want to put this? And I'm going to select the same folder, and I'm going to click extract. All right. So here are the PDFs. Actually, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit so you can see them. So this archive contains 6 different PDFs actually. So let's say that we want to work with this one. So you want to open up this PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's a free program. Most Windows PCs and actually many Macintosh computers already have it installed, the free version. You don't need to pay for any program to open up a fillable PDF from EasyGenie. Adobe Reader, the free version, works fine. So you can double click on it, and I can see it's already going to open it up in Adobe Reader, or you can right click on it and select Open with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. So here is the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll notice that when I move my mouse over these fields, it kind of selects them. See that? This means that actually these fields are fillable, meaning I can type into them. Let me blow it up a little bit so people can see a little bit better. Let's see if I can move this over too. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Okay, so I can start typing just by clicking my mouse once and then typing my name. So Ian Lamont, compiled by. If you tap the tab button on your keyboard, it'll go to the next field. Chart number. I'm just going to give it today's date, 062921A. So June 29th, 2021. And then I can start typing in the things like the date sent. So I sent this on June the 15th, 2021. Date responded, not yet. So I'm just going to leave that blank. Name and contact information. So let me just say this is Bella Smith. Surname focus. So Smith. Results, other information. She is a third cousin and has some pictures of family letters from the Smith branch. So I'm just typing that. and then you can either use your mouse and just click on the next field, or you can use tab. You can tab through. But the idea is you're going to fill this whole thing out, and then what you can do is you can save it. So click the Save button. It'll prompt you to save it as. So save in recent folder. I'm just going to save it right here, but you can also put it in your, somewhere else if you want to. So it's actually going to prompt me to give it a different name. This might be a good idea, just so you have a blank copy available of the PDF and you have a new copy. So I'm just going to call this 062921A, and I'm going to save it. All right, and then I can just keep on typing and going through and using all the fields. So maybe I might say June 22nd, 2021. Date responded. Let's say June 23rd. You can use any format you want. And this might be Kelly Smith. And she might also have some surname focus, the same Smith. And she agreed to take a DNA test to determine common ancestor. You get the idea. For more information on how to get the most out of your genealogy research, go to easygenie.org, and I have a genealogy blog with lots of tips, and also we have all kinds of products, high quality charts, downloads, as well as paper charts that are made for genealogists like you. I'm a genealogist. I know what it's like. I like to help other people, and I hope that you enjoy using EasyGenie genealogy charts and forms for your own research. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thanks so much for watching.